Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create bird sounds just using Ableton Operator. So let's dive into it. Let's use a MIDI track and let's put our operator in it. Here we have a simple sine wave running. Let's take off the filter for now, and let's turn on our LFO. Nice. So we have our LFO, but now we want to choose the exact frequency, and we can do that by using the course. So let's use a fixed frequency. So now we can really select the tone of our bird. Okay, I find it around 1K a nice frequency to start. So the birds don't, I mean, most of all they use a kind of LFO sounds, but so some modulation, some pitch modulation, but not so much like this. So let's use around 40, 36. Okay, this sounds more like a bird. Nice. So for now it sounds really nice, but we want to modulate the rates and also the amount a little bit, not much, but just a little bit to feel it more natural. So let's use a LFO. Let's put here. Where is that? Here. Actually, let's use two. One to control the rate. Sounds nice, but we don't want periodic, we want random. And let's put a little smooth on that. Sounds nice. And the other LFO we want to map to the amount, but put around 35 and just a little bit of depth, just some change, not much. And also let's put random and a little smooth too. Okay, we have our bird. To have more like a natural sound, we can use a reverb. Okay, nice one. Okay, and you can choose now if you want to change the frequency, the main frequency. So you have a night bird or almost a howl. So you have many birds in here. Also, some birds don't have a sine modulation, more like a triangle, and some like a sawtooth down. I like this one. Sounds very nice. Now we can use the filter, maybe a high pass filter, to to show our bird just sometimes. Nice one. Nice one. We have our bird. Now, in terms of Psytrance, I would use a delay to give that psychedelic sound, and let's try to hear with the kick and bass. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a nice day. Cheers.